That's cool, kind of far. But you can't get there from here. We have to go up and then hike again.